Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you more about Chapter 10 and a certain problem, 10-51, which is in Lesson 10.2.3. It's a little bit of a challenge. It wants you to look at problems and figure out an easier way to do it. Not make it too complicated, but maybe you could rewrite it, or you could undo it, or you could look inside and figure how to simplify something. So let's do it together. Here's the problem. 1051. Let's do some math. So part A, I'm going to undo it, at least that's what I'm going to call it, by getting rid of this fraction. Multiply everything by the denominator, put a 1 under the 6, multiply by 10 over 1. So now I have 10 times 2x minus 8 over 10 equals 10 times 6. Now these 10s cancel, because 10 divided by 10 is 1. 2x minus 8 equals 60. Well, that's kind of funny looking. Plus 8 plus 8, 2x equals 68. Divide by 2, and I'm going to write my answer over here. X equals 34. And I want to do some mental math, see if that works. It says 2 times 34, which is 68, minus 8, which is 60 divided by 10, which is 6, equal, yeah, it checks. That's great. Part B. Let's rewrite this. That's what I want to do. So x divided by 3 could be rewritten as a fraction. I know a lot of kids don't like fractions, but that makes it easier, actually, because you can multiply everything by that denominator. Of course, there's another way you could do it, and if you want to tell me how you did it, leave a comment or email me. So now we have 3 times 4 over 1 plus 3 times x over 3 equals 3 times 9 over 1. That makes 12. These 3's cancel, so that's just x, and over here is 27. Take away 12, and we have x equals 15. We can use some mental math to check that out. If we put 15 in here, we get 3. Well, that doesn't work. We wouldn't get 3. We get 5. And 4 plus 5 is 9. I'm so sorry. Let's go to C. I said I want to undo this and look inside. So I'm going to rewrite it and show you what my step is. To undo square root, I have to do the second power. And I'll do that on this side also. So now I get 3x plus 3 equals 36. Take away 3. Or subtract 3, the opposite of 3, whichever way you want to call it. And we get 3x equals 33. Divide by 3, x equals 11. Do you want to use some mental math? So if we put 11 here, 3 times 11 is 33, plus 3, that's 36. 36, square root of 36 is 6. Yay, it checks out. Over here, I'm going to rewrite it. They have the same bases, so I'm just going to cross out those bases and write x plus 3 equals 3x. I'm going to take out x from both sides. I get 3 equals 2x. Divide by 2. And we get 3 halves, or 1 and a half, however you want to write it. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not going to check this one. Let's go on. Let's see. Okay, and let's go to E. I have another square root. I want to undo this and rewrite it, so I'm going to first subtract the 4. So I get the square root of x is equal to 5. Now to solve for x, I'm going to undo that square root by second power on both sides. I get x equals 25. Okay, and over here, let's make this a fraction. And the lowest common multiple will be 9, so I'm going to multiply everything by 9. 9 over 1. So I get 9 times x over 3 minus 9 times x over 9 equals 9 times 6. The dot and the parentheses mean the same thing. So this 9 divided by 3 makes 3 on top, 1 on bottom. This 9 divided by 9 makes 1. And we get 3x minus x equals 54. 2x equals 54. So let's divide both sides by 2. and we're going to get x equals 27. All right, thank you.